Guys, make sure to stand till the end. One common mistake when replacing air filter can destroy your engine. We will explain why. All that will be covered in this video for your convenience. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Super quick and helpful video to any of you having a Maserati Levante. If you have a Levante guys from 2017 to 2025, you want to see how to replace engine air filters. You actually have two of them. Stay with us, we'll explain how to do that step by step. It's recommended of course to replace both of them at the same time. And if you need to buy filters at a really good affordable price, we're going to share the information in the description of the video below. So let's talk about common mistakes people make when replacing the filters as well that can destroy your engine. We want to cover that so it never happens to you. Before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, engines, computers, electrical components, fuses, relays. Why we guys do that? To save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making and providing these videos for free. And check out our YouTube channels, we have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's start on it now. So what do we guys need to do? First we need to open the hood on that Maserati Levante. So what are we going to do? Okay, lift up. You see when you release the handle inside the vehicle, you just pull on that yellow one and lift the hood up at the same time. So guys, we'll be having quite a few repair videos on that Maserati. We already took quite a few things apart: oxygen sensors, oil pressure sensors, all that stuff. But here, what we're going to look at now guys. Okay, first we need to get a screwdriver, small screwdriver. We need to open that clamp right here holding the coolant line. This coolant line is very fragile. People can break this one often right here or crack it, later causes a leak, the car to overheat and you can destroy your engine completely. Here you have metal clips. Okay, check this thing out now. This one here, you have one on this side, over there, okay, and we have guys, okay, we should have one more. Okay, let me see. I believe this one has three of them. Let me make sure, okay, that I'm not missing one. From what I see, one is supposed to be right here. It's missing on the back side, okay. This one specifically is missing. Somebody lost it guys. So we're going to open. Now we're going to lift. And once you lift it up, okay, check this thing out now. That's your air filter right here. We pull it out. The condition of that filter is terrible guys. Now, here is when people will make a really bad mistake. Okay, you may have a lot of leaves, dirt, dust, dead bugs, all kind of things, wood chips we've seen here, that if it goes inside right there, you're done guys. That will go inside the engine, it can destroy your engine. So get a small vacuum and vacuum, okay, everything. Even before you remove the filter, if it's really full, what you're going to do, you're going to have the filter and you're going to come and go around it, okay, to make sure that nothing gets there. And also, okay, here to make sure we don't have anything else. Okay, now that filter, let us show you how bad that one is, okay? I want to show you right here on the box, watch now. Okay, I'm going to shake it a little bit. Watch, all that is inside the filter guys. Okay, and that restricts the airflow, which can cause rich fuel mixture codes, misfire codes as well. So we're going to go ahead, grab the new one, center everything. Now here, you see that part right there, it goes in that clip, it kind of like slides underneath. So you need to start on this side, okay, slide it over. Okay, and we're ready to close it. You just press down and close the clips with your fingers while you're pressing down. Now that's one of the filters. Don't forget to install your coolant line. Be careful not to crack it or break it as well. Perfect. Next, we're coming to this side. Same thing guys. A couple of clips here, three of them, and one in the back side. Perfect. We're going to lift up. Let's see, not too much contamination. I'll slightly remove it. Okay, watch now. Dirt, dust, sand, you don't want that to get in your engine. It will be destroyed, guys. So Okay, hold that. Needs to come out. Make sure nothing falls there. It looks like I need to go clean the filter on that vacuum because it doesn't suck a lot. Okay, but we got that stuff out. Now, come I'll show you this one. This one looks even worse than the other one. I don't know if it's because it's closer to the road on the side, to the shoulder. Wow. All that is just from air filter, guys. Okay, like that. Okay, we can check the date on those. Even though now it's 2025, this filter is from year 2019. It's produced 2019. Okay, January 16th. So probably it's been close to 5 years that they haven't been replaced. Last owner neglected a little bit the maintenance on that vehicle. It has 75,000 miles right now. Okay, we're getting the new one now. Make sure everything's good. We have a little crinkle here. Lift it up. It seals really good on the bottom. Okay, goes only one way. Again, don't forget to go here in the canal. Now I'm going to start pushing on the clips. And that's it, guys. That's how we do it. If you have any questions, you want to see a specific repair on Maserati, let us know. Drop a comment below. If we have time and resources, we'll try to make that video for you. Thank you for watching. See you next time.